The 2026 Dacia Dokker Camper van builds on the model's long-standing reputation for simplicity and value, offering a surprisingly capable travel companion for budget-minded explorers. In its latest form, it remains a compact, van-based camper that appeals to those who appreciate practicality over luxury. The exterior design keeps its boxy silhouette, which is ideal for maximizing interior space. Subtle aerodynamic tweaks for 2026 slightly improve efficiency, but the core focus remains functionality rather than stylistic flair. Its sliding side door and wide-opening rear doors make loading and accessing the living area easy. Inside, the camper conversion is where the Dokker shines. Its layout prioritizes modularity, allowing users to switch from daily driver use to full camping mode within minutes. Lightweight fittings reduce overall weight, enabling better fuel efficiency and easier maneuverability. The 2026 model introduces improved materials throughout the cabin, durable yet comfortable surfaces that resist wear and are simple to clean after a muddy hike or beach outing. While still minimalist, it feels more refined than earlier versions. Storage has always been one of the Dokker's strengths, and this edition expands on that with smarter compartments integrated into the walls and under the bed platform. These additions help keep the limited interior tidy and functional during extended trips. The bed system folds out smoothly and can comfortably accommodate two adults. Padding thickness has been upgraded, reducing the need for additional mattress toppers, which previous owners sometimes relied on. Meal preparation in the Dokker camper van remains basic but adequate. A single burner stove, compact sink, and removable table give users the essentials without cluttering the cabin. The new model offers slightly more counter space, a welcome improvement. Ventilation has been enhanced for 2026 with improved window vents and optional roof ventilation. These changes make warm weather camping more comfortable and reduce condensation, an issue noted in earlier models. The electrical setup now includes optional solar panels, allowing travelers to stay off-grid longer. USB-C ports and a small auxiliary battery come standard, catering to modern device charging needs. Lighting inside the cabin uses low-power LEDs strategically placed to illuminate key areas without overwhelming brightness. This creates a cozy atmosphere at night while preserving battery life. On the road, the 2026 Dokker camper van offers predictable handling. Its compact dimensions make city driving and parking easier than in larger camper vans, a major advantage for mixed-use owners. The updated suspension balances comfort and control well. Even with added camper weight, the vehicle absorbs bumps gracefully, maintaining stability on uneven rural roads often encountered during camping adventures. Engine options lean toward efficiency. While not sporty, the Dokker provides enough power for casual touring. Long-distance travelers will appreciate improved fuel economy, keeping running costs low. Noise levels inside the cabin are moderate. The camper fittings introduce some rattles on rough terrain, but overall refinement has improved thanks to better insulation and updated mounting techniques. Safety technology has received a welcome update with lane assist, improved ABS tuning, and optional blind spot monitoring. These upgrades provide reassurance during long journeys or highway driving. For digital needs, the infotainment system is simple but functional. Integrated navigation, smartphone connectivity, and a straightforward interface fit the Dokker's practical philosophy. Turning the Dokker into a full-time camper requires compromise, given its size. Taller travelers may feel limited, and indoor standing height is not possible without aftermarket pop-top modifications. However, for weekend explorers or minimalist nomads, it offers a perfect balance of affordability, capability, and simplicity. Its compact form encourages spontaneous trips where bulkier motorhomes would be cumbersome. Maintenance remains inexpensive, one of the Dokker's strongest selling points. Parts availability is widespread, and mechanical complexity is low, making it appealing to DIY owners. Resale value has historically been strong thanks to the model's loyal user base. The 2026 edition is likely to maintain this trend, especially with the growing interest in compact camper conversions. Overall, the 2026 Dacia Dokker camper van is not about luxury or advanced features. It is about freedom, accessible, uncomplicated freedom that encourages travel without draining your savings. For those seeking a dependable, modestly equipped, and budget-friendly camper van, the Dokker continues to stand out as one of the most compelling choices in its class in 2026.